Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to delete Etsy account. Okay, so let's open our Etsy application on the device, and then you should go to your account in the upper right corner of your screen, and then go to Settings. And now you should see this line that says if you want to fine-tune your account settings, then you have to visit this link that Etsy platform offers me. And now at the account section right here at the top, you want to scroll down to the very bottom until you see section Close Your Account. So here you need to provide a reason why do you want to delete your Etsy account. So this is the drop-down menu, so you can select one reason that suits you the best. And finally, you can press Close Account button to finally delete your Etsy account. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.